Okay guys, so I want to show you if your handle is not pumping, if it's not working right, this is how you need to fix it. One of the things you're going to notice also is that these don't slide very easily without clicking this out first. That should tell you something is not right. So we want to go in here and unscrew this. Pull this down. There's the first piece, then there's the little silicone, then the metal ring, and then the spring. And then if we look down inside of there, this is not in here correctly. What we want to do, it's actually slid, it's faced this way and then slid underneath this handle. So we want to go in there, take this and turn it around this way, and that will give it the way it needs to pump the handle. So then if we slide everything back up into place, it will easily pump that handle. So I'm going to show you. Screw this back on, line it up, put it into place, and then this will pump and this slides easily. Hope that helps you.